Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Extreme Gaming. This is the part 4 of Pokemon Adventures Red chapter. In this last time I defeated Brock and caught Pikachu. Today I'm going to Cerulean City. So let's go. Green, wait up. Red, what do you want here to play? That does sound appealing, but I have more class than that Red is same that. We never got to fight each other in the tournament. That's because we were in a different tournament bracket. You don't share my symbol, minded friend. We all can on it for that scam. So what do you want? However, a good old friendly battle between two rivals after all, our little match back with the Forest wasn't really a testament to who's the strongest rider. So, okay, my Pokemon will beat you. Just a head up, Red. As you may have noticed, my Charmander is now a Charmeleon. It's in a whole new, different league now. Oh, I also forgot to tell you guys that I have trained up my Pokemon. Thundershock. It's super effective. Attack is Fell. Speed Racer. And Quick Attack. Attack Mist Whirlwind. Oli was dragged out. Water Gun. Green Sabato Starmillion. No. Green Send out Starmillion. Water Gun. It's super effective. For Charmander uses Smoke Screen. For Sack Fell. Water Gun. It's super effective. For Charmander. Water Gun. Okay. No. Ice cream. Also effective. What? Yeah, I defeated my rival Green. Polyglot level 22. I defeated rival Green. Did I win? Huff huff. You too naive. The family stay down. What? Did I lose? Smell it later. I really hate it. End of World of Bad chapter. So now let's go. Huh? What is this game? A huff. Get up, bro. Yeah, Starry, get away. It's going to your side of plant. Starry, take one pretty big one, and you. Huh? Let me help. Step back, this is dangerous. I'll be fine, I'm not any just kid. My name is Red, not you. Okay, Bulbasaur, go. So Gyarados. Thundershock. It's super effective. The wild Gyarados fainted. Let's go Pokeball. Here's the Gyarados. That gave the Gyarados to the girl. Phew, thanks a lot. Man, I didn't expect to see a wild Gyarados here, of all places. Gyarados is a water type Pokemon. It's not supposed to live in places like this. That Gyarados wasn't a wild Pokemon, it's mine. What? I was racing it until it was stolen by somebody last week. When it came back, it wasn't the nice Gyarados that I knew. I followed its trail and of destruction to Route 4. Anyway, thanks to you, everything is okay now. No, it's not. It's never okay when a Pokemon goes berserk. Those guys who stole your Gyarados must have done it. I am going to kick their butt. Where do you think you are going? Where do you think I am going to kick those guys' butts? Where are they? If I knew, wouldn't you think I'll be there right now? Maybe Professor Oak knows something. Maybe I should ask him. Well, if you want to use the phone, there's one in the Pokemon Contact. Chapter 6 Mount Moon. What took you so long anyway? There's a telephone in this Pokemon Center. Follow me. This here is a telephone. You can use it to call anyone for free. Net, right? Professor Oak, it's been a while. Professor, it's only been a few days. That's Professor Oak. Is the world leading expert on Pokemon. Amazing. Professor Oak, any closer and completely Pokédex Red? Red, sure am I. I have already gotten some new data. Professor Oak, Gyarados and Vika's good job, Red. Oh, by the way, Professor, I need to ask you something. Professor, what? A Gyarados or Route 4 stolen went on a rampage? Interesting. So the Pokemon refused to listen to its own trainer after only a few days. Sounds like the work of Team Rocket. Team Rocket? Professor Oak, yes, they are secret crime syndicate that use Pokemon for their own evil purposes. Rumors have it that they have been doing lab experimentation on Pokemon. Lab experimentation on Pokemon? Professor Oak, I know it's very upsetting, but there is something you can do. Help. Like what? Professor Oak, in Mount Moon there is a special rock called Rebound Moon. It is widely believed that this stone grants special powers to Pokemon. If that's true, then there's no doubt that Team Rocket is also looking for the Moonstone. Okay, see you later, Professor. What is it? I'm going with you. What? Don't get me wrong, I need to go to Mount Moon anyway to get back home, and I might be able to get some information about this Team Rocket. Wait, you're not. I'll be okay. I'm a water type Pokemon expert. The name's Misty, the flower of Cerulean City. Now, let's go. Whoa, somebody's there. Wait a minute, those uniforms, they're the same one worn by the guys back in Palette Forest. Is that Team Rocket? I think so. These decks are everywhere. Our mission is to find the Moonstone Cube into the cave. Okay guys, so I'm going to fast forward a little bit or else this video will be very long. So I'm going to fast forward it. So I fast forward the game. So let's go. Solar beam. Tackle. Done. Gas. Team Rocket, quick hide. Guys, where's that moonstone? Not too loud, this is a secret mission, remember? Hey, let's say if someone does find out, then we'll have to use extreme force. So Rock is right there looking for the moonstone. Okay, so guys, I'm going to heal my Pokemon. Back. I have healed up my Pokemon. So let's go. First of all, pick a different. Oh, 6 Pokemon. Stand us out. Yes, Sword. Solar Beam. Done. No. Yes. Grounded. Yeah, 40. Water gun. Water gun. Popping. Popping down. Advance. Drill. Oh no. Keep breathing down. Okay guys, I'm going to heal my Pokemon. So I'm going to cut a little bit of this video. Healed up my Pokemon and I made the speed normal again. So let's go. Mission eliminate any outside interference. Team Dog Grunt would like to bat. Team Dog Grunt send out Geodude. Go Polly. Use water gun. It's super effective. Polygon 367 HP points. Team Rock Run is about to use Raticate. Yes. Sword. Go Sword. We saw Labin. Oh no. Alright. No problem. If this was Nuzlocke, it will be very hard. Speed fell and speed raised. Oh no. Okay, so now, oh no, there's a double battle there. Well, I'm going to heal my Pokemon. And if you guys is thinking that where did that two Team Brand go, accidentally I press the down button and I go downwards. Please forgive me. Misty came and defeated them. So there wasn't a big battle there. So please forgive me for that. It was an accident. Pokemon Pika. You are even responsible for hating our. Let's teach them a lesson. Your Pokemon look tired. Let me heal them. Pika is Thunder Shock and no Petal Storm on Sandstorm. Okay. First Sandstorm fainted. Okay, so you could Battle Storm on Grimer. Sneeze in his palace. Not very effective. Oh no. Why you would have to use quick attack? Quick attack. Battle Storm. Hit 4 times. First missile failed that. Pika gained 282 HP points. So I'm going to it to use the words. Can I turn this off now? Oh, it is still disabled. After on, focus, wrist. Program is disabled. Because disabled, no more so thunder sock, tackle. Tackle strong. I think quick attack, Pokemon, body, Pika was poison, Pika speed boost raises its speed, Pika is hit by poison. Quick attack, ice beam, it's super effective. Gloom is poison, no, frozen. For gloom result. Use tackle, use ice beam. It's super effective. Fog Gloom fainted. Sorg gained 282 HP points. Sorg grew to level 22. Sorg's trying to learn add power. Yeah! Yes. Tackle. And 2. And poof. Sorg forgot. So learned add power. Falling into 82 HP points. Player defeated Team Rocket Door. Oh no, we lost. We should run just agree, James. We got 1440 for winning. Well, let's get out of here, Jamie. Looks like this and Jamie are running off again. Okay, guys, I'm going to heal my Pokemon. Left my Pokemon and I'm here now. Okay, I'm going to slow the game now. Why, if it isn't Team Soy and a little Becky in the cave? You're Team Rocket. Oh, who are you? Well, I guess I owe you answer, so let's do it. I challenge you. Team Rocket send out Rhyhorn. Roboli. Use water gun. It's super effective. Rhyhorn uses scary face. Body speed actually fell. Body is water gun. It's super effective. 4 Rhyhorn fainted. Body gained This 36 ESP points. Polygon to level 24. Player defeated Team Rocket to Goku. That my Pokemon may not look like much, but they sure are powerful. This takes me back to when I was a child. Now let me show you the cruelty of adults. What is he inject me into the Rhydon? Raw. It's in a lot of pain. Rhydon, raw. What? Injection made this Rhydon evolve into a Rhydon? Wow. What Gyarados, is that what you did to it? How should we know? Do you think we remember every Pokemon we experimented on? Your aggro, stagger, attack. It's working. Dear me, do you really think such a weak attack can hit Rhydon? Rhydon, Conrail. Did she die? You'll pay for this. Perhaps some other lifetime Rhydon. Kill him. A level 22 Rhydon? Is this even possible? I think Rhydon should be a more than level 20, right? We all. I win. Arg, Huff. Windy Mount Moon is shaking. Huh? Obtain the Moonstone. I got the Moonstone? The key item pocket. Whoa. Siddhira. Arg, what happened? Huh? Is he alive? Who do you think you're groping? What was that for? I'm sorry, I thought you were trying to wait. What happened to that guy and his Rhydon? You should have seen me in that. I nailed that Rhydon easily. It's impressive, but without the Moonstone, we might as well have lost. If you would let me finish my story, I have the Moonstone as well. What? When did you? How did you? It was just lying on the floor when the cave was collapsing. Now let's head to Cerulean City. Let's go. End of one moon chapter. Chapter 7, Cascade Bath. Okay guys, I am in Cerulean City. We are finally here at Cerulean City. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead meet me at my place. See you later. Wait, I don't know where your house is. Where's the Pokemon Center? They're there. Okay guys, I'm going to end this video here. I will release part 5 soon, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notification when I upload a new video. So bye bye.